Good day everyone, this is me again Hart for another video, and for today we're going to talk about a passage from Ryan Holiday in his book The Daily Stoic. So I've jotted it down and or typed it in my other phone. So Ryan Holiday is saying, or he said, what he said was this: when we experience success, we must make sure that it doesn't change us, that we continue to maintain our character despite the temptation not to. Reason must lead the way no matter what good fortune comes along. So, if for example, or what Ryan Holiday is basically saying is that we should stay or remain with the characters that we have, or keep our characters in check, and it should not be affected by our success or by whatever status or whatever status that we have elevated in or we have placed in the society. So an example that I gave in the TikTok video that I just made is having this sort of um, example wherein you're fortunate enough, especially in the Philippine settings, if you're fortunate enough to graduate college, to have a high paying job, or maybe build a successful business, then I could consider you as someone who is successful. But does that success, if I could relate it to the quote, or not the quote, but the thing that Ryan Holiday has said in his book, if I relate it to the character that you have, does your success help you to remain intact with the character that you have, to do the right thing, to help other people, to stay aligned with your values, and not be tempted to do the other thing, which is the opposite, which is be tempted to do the things that you haven't done before in order for you to accumulate more money, to have more fame, or for whatever selfish reason that you could think of, because you have tasted success or you are successful right now. So I know it's hard for me to really say something because I could consider myself as not yet successful, but in in an area wherein graduating college and passing the board exam, I could consider myself as someone who is successful and who is fortunate and privileged enough, especially as a Filipino, to have that privilege to finish college and to have a license. And what I'm saying is that what I see someone who's successful is accumulated this wealth, who has this freedom because of his wealth. So I haven't reached that, but the point that I'm making is that in a general sense, or in a general definition of success, I think if we lose touch with the character and with the values that we have, so for example, you were honest, you were doing the right thing, you always reached out to the person whom you are talking with, and having this high integrity with people you meet, and not saying bad things in their backs, and all the other good values that we could possibly have in a person, or a person that should the person have. And if that success that you have achieved is making you do the opposite, then I think what we view as success, or what that person is attaining, what that person attains, which is success that we could possibly see from him or her, is not that truly a success. And I truly agree with Ryan Holiday and the Stoics. If whatever happens, if you've climbed up the ladder of status and fame, and you've accumulated wealth, and you still remain with the same values that you have, not the values maybe that are bad, but what I'm saying are the good values, then I think you could be more effective, or you could be a more successful person, because at the end of the day, you still prioritize being a good person, doing the right thing, helping others, and all the other good values that you could have. And I think aiming for that thing, and maybe a person aim for that thing, staying aligned with his character and values, and eventually find his or her way in success, and still remain with that character, is a good recipe for becoming a better person and just becoming a better human after all. So, if you have any comments or any feedback about this video, you can comment on the comment section below. And if you like this video, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. As always, if you want more wisdom coming right at you, then see me on the next video. Goodbye.